Hey guys, Brian Jordan Jet Parts. We want to talk about the Demon Kit 2020. We're going to be using some wide body panels, just basically for the King Drift machines here in Amman, Jordan. All right, guys. So what we got here is the BMW E96, and this is the actual fitment that we're going to do right here. Now put it in the back side. This is the wide panel that we're actually going to use. Take that one, please. Put it on the side. So these guys right here are very fiber experts here in Amman, Jordan. This is the King Drift machine. We're going to use these wide body panels here for the Lancer Demon Kit 2020 Infusion. And yes, guys, this door right here, this is fiberglass door. This probably weighs like maybe 2 kilos. Fiberglass door. Put that fender here for me real quick. Let's see how this looks. So this is the fender we're going to use actually for the Demon Kit. It's from the BMW, and I'm keeping it real. I'm not gonna take credit for the whole build, but that looks really good. So as you guys can see, that there's like a victory function that actually lets the the advent wheel stick out. As you guys can see right here, it's looking really good. It's very nice. So stay tuned. 2020 Demon Kit, Amman, Jordan.